Here we go. What's going on, guys? We're gonna be taking another look at my 1975 Doge Dart Swinger. Today, we're gonna begin stripping everything inside this engine bay so we can sand it down, and we're gonna kind of spray it up, make it look a little pretty before the motor goes down in it. And also, we're gonna be taking a look inside the trunk. We're gonna be cleaning it out, so I'll give you a little preview of what we got sitting in there. Ooh, damn. Trunk look pretty, dog. Ooh. But anyway, here we go. Got the floor jack. Looks like we got the fan. I don't even know what that is. Oh, antifreeze jug. Got a breather. Got one of my NASCAR sheets. Oh man. But yeah, as you can tell, we're gonna be replacing the trunk pan in here. Of course, it'll work out great replacing the trunk pan because we are gonna mini tub it, because I want a fatter tire on back. You know, that just ain't fat enough. That just don't make the booty look good enough. You know what I mean? I don't know, it's just something about these older cars that have a fat tire underneath them that make it look good. But yeah, y'all stay tuned because we will also be ripping out the headliner soon. So it's gonna look different, especially when it has a roll cage in it. Ooh, getting excited. But yeah, my buddy Jonathan, he's coming over today, so we're gonna start stripping this engine bay and possibly get to cleaning out the trunk if we have time. But y'all stay tuned. Boom, guys, and just like that, we got the engine bay cleaned up a little bit. Stay tuned because we are not done with that yet. We still got some more stuff we got to do, and I didn't get to cleaning out the trunk, so that is still going to be another video. But yeah, y'all stay tuned to Speedin and Stunting, baby. We got a lot of content on the way, especially coming from this Dart. Going to be doing a lot more things to it, guys. This thing's going to be nasty. Y'all stay tuned. Y'all bear with me. I'm not a rich man, but I'm a hard-working man, so this is gonna get done. But y'all just stay tuned, man. Look at that baby just sitting there. Fugitive, you looking good. But yeah, y'all stay tuned. Y'all stay tuned. We gonna get her right.